Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got another exciting vehicle. This is an ultra rare one, a 2021 Ford Mustang GT500KR. This one has 1,342 miles. It's a two-owner car. The second owner is my client, and he bought it with 67 miles on it. And in beginning of February 2022, he had the Shelby American company do the KR package on this. This is a beautiful car. Like I said, they're rare. Most certainly a future collectible. Long waiting list to do a car like this by Shelby American. It's 950 wheel horsepower. These stripes on the roof, over the top, trunk, hood, and down here on the doors are all painted. These are not vinyl stripes. These are painted on. It's metallic. It's hard to see in this video, but metallic painted. There we go, back in focus. Huge Brembo brakes. Massive Brembo brakes. I've got all the receipts for this car, all the invoices, window sticker, books, 2 keys, everything you'd want with a collector GT500KR. No damage at all on this front lip. My client told me it's still under 1,500 miles. He never even got to put his foot in it because it hasn't been past the break-in stage yet. So this car has been babied, absolutely perfect inside and out. Texas car. Sounds great. There's a button in there you can flip and you can open that exhaust up, or you can make it quiet. Very pretty. I have not seen a black one with blue stripes. So it's a unique car. Over $75,000 for the KR package. Very long waiting list as well. So take a quick peek inside. Black and blue continues inside the car. They actually wanted to match those stripes, so everything matches perfectly. Go 1,342 miles. Still smells like new car in here. Heated, cooled seats, rear camera. Got some neat stuff here. These gauges put in. You got your plaque. Tells you which number. KR 0021. It's a low numbered car. There's your chassis number. Very nice. All this is leather in here. Your button if you want to play with the exhaust or any of the modes. Got these over here as well. You can change into sport and track and your steering and your shocks and everything. So very cool car. Everything's been upgraded, and these do not come up very often for sale. So give me a call, text, email. We can ship this to you enclosed anywhere in the country. You can do long distance deals. We have a financing option on the website. You can also bring your own financing. Doesn't make any difference to me one way or the other. All carbon fiber here. Gorgeous. This car just looks so mean sitting here. Hope to hear from you. We do respond quickly. Please subscribe to the channel. That helps me. Like the video, go over to Instagram, follow us over there. We put up a lot of updates. I'm on Facebook too. Rogers Motor Cars everywhere. You can Google it. We got 5-star reviews everywhere. Come check it out. Lots more pics on the website. If there's something you want to see specifically that I haven't put up already, just call me or text me. We'll get it taken care of. All right, y'all have a great day.